Okay, this is part two or part three because I had a short in between part one and part two. I'm either going to push this off or I'm going to pull away with my truck. So if you see me vanish from the screen, it's probably me going to get the truck and move it because I can't push it. So here we go. We'll see if we can get it off this time. Yep. It moved 10 inches. It looks like the weight's on the bare axle, the trailer axle, and it is rolling on those pipes that are on the deck. So at some point I got to stop and I got to prop up the beams that are on top of the axle and underneath the beam that's going from side to side at the back. I got to get it there, and when it clears the trailer, those beams are not long enough to carry the whole car, but the idea is to get it most of the way off the trailer, and then I can jack it up and then pull the trailer right out from under it because it won't be resting on the trailer. So I'm going to pull forward a little bit more. if it was supposed to be there, but that fell off from under the car. It's a solid strap of copper with a battery terminal on it and an eyelet on the other end. So I guess that was a ground strap of some sort, but it hooks to the battery. I wonder how it was hiding up in there. Pretty close to where I want it. Not to get under, drop a plumb and see if it's cleared the trailer frame. If it has, then I'll probably just stop this video and start figuring out how I'm going to raise that beam up to catch that weight and what I'm going to put underneath it. I got another axle for like a little Mustang, little 4-lug Mustang rear axle right over there, so I might slide that under there. I don't know. We'll see. Might just block it up and then put it on there later. Just want to be able to move it a little bit. It's not in the way of my operation here. But yeah, it's pretty good. I'm going to pull it forward and no, I don't think I will. I think I will just go ahead and lift those beams up and put something on there now, because I'm seeing those A-pillars are right at the edge of the trailer frame. Once they get into the center position, they're going to tip like that, and then you're going to have probably a lot of work wasted. So this will probably end it for this, and I'll show you maybe tomorrow or next day or something like that what it came of it. But I have to get this trailer off under today. And anyway, ain't the first one, but they're always a challenge every time. Thanks for watching.